Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Myself Chitali Arora from Shiv Jyoti Education Group of Kota, welcome in the class. So kids, in the previous classes we have already learned about capital and small letters A to O. Capital and small letters A to O. So today we will learn to trace and write capital and small letters P and Q. P and Q. Okay kids, so take out your Grafalco, open page number 4949. Mention the date and classwork. Okay. So kids, let's see some pictures related to P. Okay. First we will see letter P, capital and small one. So P for papaya. P for papaya. Okay kids? Now let's write this letter on small board. Okay. Now let's do its tracing. First we will trace capital letter P. Okay, so everyone take out your pencil and hold it properly. So kids, you have to start from first line, draw one standing line, touch these lines properly, then you have to draw one small curve in between these two lines only. Let's do tracing one more time. Standing line. Okay, you have to draw standing line properly. Then small curve in between these two lines only. Okay kids, this is capital letter P. Capital letter P. Now let's write on dot. So kids, draw standing line in between these three lines. Then small curve like this. Again kids, one more time. Standing line, small curve like this. This is capital letter P. Capital letter P. Okay, P for papaya. P for papaya. Now we will trace small letter P. Now we will trace small letter P. So look here everyone, what we have to do? We have to make one standing line. Okay. Then small curve in between these two lines. Okay. Let's do one more time. Draw standing line. Touch these lines properly. Then small curve in between first and second line. Okay. Small curve like this. Now let's write on dot. So kids, draw standing line and small curve like this. Standing line and small curve. This is small letter P. Small letter P. So kids, let's learn to make capital letter P. So we have to start from this red line. So kids, first we have to draw standing line. Draw one standing line. Then curve. Okay, this is capital letter P. This is capital letter P. Now let's draw small letter P. So now we have to start from this blue line, that means second line. Okay, so draw one standing line. Then small curve like this. So this one is capital letter P and this is small letter P. Okay kids, now move to next letter. Now kids, we will learn to trace and write capital and small letter Q. Capital and small letter Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Okay. Before that, first we will write on small board. Okay. So kids, now let's do tracing of capital letter Q. Capital letter Q. So kids, look here, what you have to do? You have to make one long curve, one more curve in the opposite direction and join. Okay, then you have to draw one small slanting line inside it like this. Again kids, let's do tracing. Curve, one more curve in the opposite direction, join. Now small slanting line inside it, outside to inside like this. Now let's write on dot. So kids, look here, long curve, one more curve and join. Now small slanting line inside to outside. Again kids, curve, one more curve like this, then small slanting line inside to outside. Okay, this is capital letter Q. This is capital letter Q. Now we will do tracing of small letter q. Okay. So kids, look here. Now first we have to make small curve, then standing line like this, small curve, standing line. Okay, in between these three lines now, small curve and join one standing line to this small curve. Now let's write on dot. So kids, draw small curve, standing line like this, then small curve, standing line. Okay kids, so this is small letter Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. So kids, now let's make capital letter Q. So you have to start from red line, that means first line. Draw one long curve like this, then one more long curve in the opposite direction and join. Now small slanting line like this, inside to outside. Now let's make small letter Q. So you have to make one small curve like this. Okay, you have to draw this small curve in between these two blue lines. Now standing line. This is small letter Q and this is capital letter Q. 49, 50, then 54 and 55 of your Grafalco. So everyone take care. Bye-bye.